Welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas. I'm like whispering because I'm like really like tired and just came back from a night out and I've came home to a messy room, so I need to like sort that out, and then I need to go to Costco. Oh, look at that. And then I need to go to Costco to buy some stuff. So I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah. I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in it. I don't want to be in it.
Alright, we just came back and we got a bunch of party supplies. He's keen. Yeah. Make the wire. Say hi. Yummy, Andrea? Yummy? Yeah. What wire am I eating out here?
You didn't bring me a spare change of clothes. I nearly bumped into my friends.
Well, look what he's wearing, guys. Not in. Sorry, I didn't know. Didn't think it mattered. Welcome to day 10. Sorry if you're watching this and it's like a month late because I've just, I don't know, this like whole like 10, this like whole 2 weeks or whatever. I'm being a bit busy, an organized party, you know, work. Hi. Eating some lasagna with sriracha sauce, because nothing else to eat here. So that's what I'm doing. Then I think I'm going to put Anthony's graduation vlog up tonight because it's a Sunday. Then yeah, I don't know what else I'm doing. I think I'm going to get the car cleaned, get ready for work tomorrow. Basic stuff. Where's Anthony? Anthony? Why is he not coming?
Look at this.
Oh my god, what are you wearing? What the hell are you wearing?
You cut your tongue a bit burnt.
Oh, just a tad. Welcome to day 12. Halfway there, guys. Oh, can you hear what's on the speakers at Coles? I don't know the lyrics. Lol. Funny. What day is it, guys? 13th. Welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. We're going to the beach. Well, we're at the beach now. We're gonna get some chips because I am hungry. Hey, look at this house. We're actually not just at a kebab place. We're getting some chips. Say hi. So that was day 9 through to 13. After that, at the kebab place on the 13th, we just went to the beach. We hung out, took some cute photos, and then and then I didn't vlog until my party, which will be the next one, which is on the 16th. So that's what the next vlog is going to be. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.